Here we are at the Fryeburg, Maine Fire Department car show. We got here a GTO, the right air filter, and this is a beautiful GTO, all the chrome in the world, and it's really impressive compared to mine. Mine doesn't have a whole lot of chrome. A Nova, another GTO. Z88, whatever that is. Roadrunner. Nice looking Roadrunner. Another Roadrunner. Looks like a 318 in this one. I'm not sure though, because I don't know much about Mopar. And a beautiful 6-cylinder Chevrolet. 65, I think. Yep, 65. Got the round tail lights. 69 Chevelle. Blind you.
Where do you keep these?
So my dad's girlfriend has like
240 Z.
And that's where I work on it.
The stock engine. There's a Plymouth GTS.
I've done.
I had one of these. People told me GTS stood for Garbage Truck Special, and I didn't think that was funny at all. Looks like another 318. And then there's a new Challenger. Barry Gilman's car.
What a good girl.
And there's my grandson playing with a dog.
What a good girl.
Fryeburg Fire Department, Engine 1. And 51 Chevy is beautiful. Candy apple red paint. A BMW. I didn't know they made show cars, but Chevy pickup. These are nice. I had one of these, dropped a Chevy V8 in it, and it bolted right up to the transmission. Just had to make some cheap motor mounts.
Yeah.
Nope, that's not the unibody. Still very nice truck. And we have here a Hudson. '47 Hudson. And here's a beautiful 56 Ford pickup. Lots of red and yellow. Huh. Stripes line up with the wood. How about that? Oh, that's kind of neat. Hi. This is Dennis McAllister's Mustang, and I think this is his Galaxy too. Queen Bee. Doesn't look like Beyonce. Probably a B body is probably what it is. Adam 12 is here, enforcing the law, protecting and serving. I think they're serving lunch. There's a Mustang convertible, late model, Jeep truck. I'm the black Jeep of the family. Cute. And this Japanese car with a samurai sword holding the hood up. And it says supercharged, I think. Infamous or infamous. They that will live in infamy. Yeah. I don't know why they painted the chrome on that Econoline club wagon. It's not an Econoline, it's a Falcon club wagon. They didn't call these Econolines, they called them Falcon club wagons with the windows in them. And that's why they had the chrome trim on the side, because it was a car. And then there's another Jeep, 40 Chevrolet, 72 Challenger. And a new Challenger, plumb crazy. And this is my son's beautiful car. It's a, missing the rear windshield wiper. Hi Dennis, how are ya? Yeah, we have 77 Oldsmobile Cutlass 350. A 53 Chevy grill, in case you're wondering. Window. I think this is Wes Gorman's truck, but he usually has his name on the, must have made some new sideboards. And this is Stan's car. Pretty sure I've covered this one before. He's everywhere. High up. Believe it or not, he says he's got more than 300,000 miles on this car. Okay, Corvettes. 59, no, 60 something. Let me see, 62. Oh, hey Les, how you doing? Yeah, I'm taking video. I got to put it on YouTube.